Let's go, boss up, baby. We back with another one. I got another great app company, national, pretty much in every community, every state, every neighborhood. Direct door-to-door delivery. What we talking about? Fetch, doggy. But we big dogs, so we gonna fetch the money, get to these bands, and run it up and boss all the way up about the 9-to-5 rat race from one of these companies. So this company here, Fetch, partner with a lot of large housing communities to deliver packages to them. For residents, communities, anybody can use Fetch, but we're here to see how we can get driving for them. So we come down to the bottom and see if they got something on the careers. Here we go. So deliver drives us. View positions. Let's see, drive for Fetch. We're always on the lookout. Who we are. Look at the cool team. Multi-family apartment communities. They're packing up and doing it all. Growth mindset. Enjoy the journey. And all that good stuff. So they got multiple positions, not just driving positions. Customer support. Operations, but most of us here to do the driving. So let's go ahead and see about the driving positions. And I guess they're under customer support. There we go. Okay, no, they're under operations. All right. So we got one in Denver, Nashville, Jacksonville, Chicago, Marietta. There we go. We got something close to Atlanta. So let's see what they're talking about. 18 an hour. Yeah. Monday through Thursday, 11 to 8:30. Sunday, 3 to 8:30. That one ain't too bad. About 5 hours, 5.5 hours. That ain't bad. You want cargo vans, sprinter vans. You can actually drive their van, or if you have your own van, you can use your own van. So this is one that you guys are looking to get started and don't have the van yet, you can get rolling with them. And also this company also leases out vans, so you can lease a van from this company, Fetch, as well. So you go here to apply. Let's see what all they want on the application. Y'all can't even see this. Yep. Well, let's go back here. We got some more in delivery, Centennial. This one is directly in Atlanta. Same pay, same hours. So yeah, that's how you do it. You got part-time in Chicago, Florida, everywhere, man. Boss up, get to the money, try this company out, Fetch, with a quick website review for you guys, so you guys can see how to actually apply what you need and get rolling. All right. Later.